Hi, Rana here from Technical SU team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to export the Google Maps reviews directly into the Google Sheet. So for this purpose, I am using Lobster.io and I have a free plan here. You can see. So go to the squares. Okay, let me remove this one. Okay, good. Now create a new square and type your review and just click on the reviews. And now you have to paste the Google reviews URL. For example, in my case, I'm using, okay, let's go to the maps.google.com, find the search here, the Pearl Lemon. In my case, I want to fetch the reviews of Pearl Lemon. Okay, now copy this URL, go to script and paste this URL here. Now click on the add. Okay, here you can see the task added. Now click on the save button. Okay, here you can see the sort by newest. Okay, I want to see the newest on the top. And when to run, and run once to credit left. No, and run once all tasks consumed. It's actually related to your daily credits. For example, I have 15 minutes credit. The scrapper will run for 15 minutes and my these 15 minutes will reset after 18 hours, so it means I can run this scrapper daily. Okay, select I in my case I am going to select and run once, no credit left, and runs all tasks consumed. So in my case I am using this one. Okay, I don't want to limit any max results. Okay, now click on save. Okay, let's get the notification. How you want to get notification on success, on error? Yes, I want to get on success. You can see I'm already getting the notification on daily basis. Google Maps export reviews is complete. I am using this on another email. Click save. Okay, how do you want to launch? I want to launch this repeatedly. When in my case I am using a specific time zone and a start date. You can do this every day, every weekday. So if you want to use this on daily basis, then you can say every day. Otherwise, you can set the every weekday. So choose or select these settings as per your need. Then click save. Here you can see I will get the results here, and it's now click the settings. Okay, let's go to the squares. Open this square. Okay, now click on the delivery. So in my case, I want to get the delivery in a Google Sheet. So turn on this one and paste the Google Sheet link here. For example, I want to get all the result in this tab. So copy this URL and paste here. You can select export data from last run, export data from all runs. So in my case, I want to export data from last run because it will be the latest data. So you can also automate the SFTP and webhook Zapier integration or another, and you can use Amazon S3 for this purpose. Also, you can get a CSV on your email. So it's up to you. I want to get all these details in directly into the Google Sheet. So after this, click Save, right? Then you just have to click on the Launch. You can see it's launched. Let's see here. Okay. So it's now fetching the reviews. So it's a simple process, and you can automate your daily reviews from the Google My Business or Google Maps to into the Google Sheet. In another video, we will learn how to analyze these reviews directly into the Google Sheet and how to set up a perfect reviews management in Google Sheet. So for this purpose, I'm using Lobster.io, link in the description. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.